Let's learn how to lock a YouTube video. If you want to lock the screen while watching a video but don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once you've opened Settings, you need to click on the search option at the top. When you click on Search, type in Guided Access. When you type that in, the option will appear, and you need to click on it. Once you've clicked on that option, a page will open where you need to turn on the first option, Guided Access. After you turn it on, go back to the main settings page. Once you're back on that page, scroll down a bit and click on the option for Control Center. When you click on that, a list of options will open where you need to find Guided Access. Once you've found that option, click on the green plus next to it. After you've done that, close Settings and open the YouTube app. Once you've done that, go to the video you want to lock the screen for. When you're in that video, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. When you've done that, you need to click on the Guided Access icon. When you click on that, some options will appear, and you need to click on the Options option. When you've clicked on that, a menu will open where you need to turn on the touch option. Once you've turned on that option, click on the Start option in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a page will open where you need to enter your phone's password twice. After you enter that, Guided Access will be turned on and your screen will be locked. To turn off Guided Access, you need to click the power button 3 times. When you do that, the screen will be unlocked. That's it. That was how to lock a YouTube video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.